Welcome to our first ever virtual open house at NIS. My name is Eve Marie McNeil, and this is my 9th year as an elementary school principal and my 4th year as principal of Nantucket Intermediate School. This has been the most professionally challenging year in education for me, as it is for all of our staff. Everything is being done in new and different ways, including this open house. We did our very best to imagine what this could look like tonight, and staff worked very hard to create presentations that share important information with you. Every classroom teacher sent out a playlist for this evening, which is how you got our link. Welcome, welcome, welcome.
Hello NIS families, my name is Donna Johnson and I am the NIS Assistant Principal. While this is my 2nd year in this role, it's my 5th year in administration on Nantucket and my 24th year in education. I feel so lucky to have the opportunity to work with such wonderful, creative, and caring students in 3rd, 4th, and 5th grades. I'm also proud to work alongside our dedicated staff as they work tirelessly to adapt to this new hybrid model of instruction. Together, administration, staff, and students have learned quickly how to meet virtually and in person and share in a number of new ways and to form close relationships with each other, whether they're in person or learning at home. While this pandemic has forced us into a situation that is not what most of us would choose, we're working to find silver linings as we learn and grow together. Next, we're going to share some pictures that show you what learning looks like here at NIS.
In this new model of learning, teachers are working diligently to support not only the students who are in front of them, but the students who are learning remotely through the use of Zoom, Meet, and recorded lessons. Remote teachers use multiple tools, resources, and screens to ensure that they're able to lead, monitor, and support student engagement. Whether at home or at school, students are continuing to be asked to share their thoughts, ideas, and work products with their classmates and teachers. Teachers are using a number of ways to check in with students to see if they're understanding. In this picture, kids at home and kids at school are participating in a fun round of Kahoot to support their learning. Students are also able to work one-on-one with teachers safely, which provides us even more information on how to best teach and support. We are using technology in new ways that support student and teacher collaboration. In this picture, a student is commenting on the writing of a student who's working remotely. And while technology certainly supports this new model of instruction, we continue to support live, in-person conversations, activities, and experiences for children. We understand that this pandemic has caused stress and anxiety in some of our students. Our guidance staff continue to support students at home and at school with SEL lessons, small group, and individual support. Specialists who are working in person with our students work with 1 grade level per trimester. Be on the lookout for our very own Miss Held on her art cart. We continue to strive to support students with hands-on learning experiences safely. 3rd graders were even able to take a safe walking field trip to learn more about the old mill. And some 5th graders have been working with Callan Duke and Sustainable Nantucket, learning about soil, decomposition, and plants in the community garden. We are certainly taking advantage of the warm weather. Here, Miss Topham's class has found the perfect reading spot, outside. And Mr. Emery teaches students about rhythm in the courtyard. We continue to be so impressed with how resilient and flexible our students are as they're supported in ways where they can connect with each other and work together.
We are so impressed with the level of parent commitment and involvement in our children's learning. We simply cannot do it without you this year. We especially need your help to support the children with attending school on all their in-person and their remote learning days. Attendance is so critical to learning. As part of tonight's virtual open house, you will find a link at the bottom of the playlist, and it invites you to complete a survey. This is where you will give us feedback about our first ever virtual open house and tell us more about what we can do to support you and to support your children. Please complete the survey and let your voice be heard.
And so here we go, NIS families, the time has come. We invite you to take the seat of a hybrid learner. The playlist that your child's teacher has shared has links and information that we invite you to participate in. Like students, you're invited to join synchronous or live sessions with your child's teachers, as well as some asynchronous, recorded, or on your own opportunities to learn more about your child's education at NIS. As a reminder, this is an opportunity to learn more about your child's class and the curriculum. You will have the opportunity to talk to your child's teachers more about their academic and social-emotional progress during parent-teacher conferences on December 9th. However, should you have questions or concerns before that, we encourage you to reach out at any time. So we send you off to the next link on your playlist. Thank you, NIS families.